Space is mutable. You can squash it, stretch it, shrink it. Some spaces are small enough to pinch with your finger, larger than we can grasp. Liquids and gases adapt to fill their spaces, but solids, thump. This star is my reminder of space. Whatever space I may find myself in, today, tomorrow, a few years, I hope to fill it with all my heart, just as the star fills its sky with light.
We are in Mesa, Arizona, in the middle of the desert, but in reality, we could be anywhere. The whole theory behind the ImSim is that when you're in here viewing a particular scenario that we've developed, you feel as though you are exactly outside in that spot.
What we present on screen has to be pixel for pixel accurate, because if it looks fake, it's going to feel fake. We try to keep it as realistic as possible. This size allows us to put a group of individuals or a single individual into an environment and immerses them as if they were outdoors.
Well, we're trying to represent the three-dimensional world on a two-dimensional curved screen. And we're also trying to emulate the physics of moving objects in the scene.
We get full motion video of real backgrounds, and we come in and convert that to the screen, and then we dub in computer graphic images. It really is a melding of art and science.
We're just trying to translate physics, and physics is just math, and math is just numbers. It's like any other engineering problem. You take a problem that you don't know how to solve, and you break it down into a bunch of little ones that you do know how to solve, and you put them all together.
This immersive simulation capability is unique to Boeing, so the next generation of scientists that will get us to Mars could use a facility just like this. In a blink of an eye, we can change backgrounds and scenarios that help us design the future.
I think the favorite part of my job is experimenting around with different stuff and writing the code to make things work the way they're supposed to work. That's the satisfaction I get out of it.
Using creativity and science to bring this experience to life is a dream come true.
Before we begin our alliance selection, let's check out this video from First on how it's going to work.
The top 8 teams move into the team captain positions of the playoff alliances. The number 1 team can select any team at the event to join their alliance. If the selected team declines the invitation, then another team is chosen until one accepts. Suppose Alliance 2 selects Alliance 4, but Alliance 4 declines and Alliance 2 selects another team which accepts. It's now Alliance 3's turn, but the same rule applies. Alliance 4 is not available, so Alliance 3 has to select another team from the available pool. And the next alliance can select any available team that hasn't declined an invitation. This process continues through Alliance 8. Notice that a previously unavailable team has become an alliance captain. At this point, any remaining team that has declined an invitation is not eligible to participate in the playoffs because they can't be selected. Alliance 8 now picks their 3rd team member from the remaining available teams. Alliance 7 picks their 3rd team member, and so on, all the way back to the number 1 alliance. All alliances are now full, so alliance selection is complete. But the next several teams need to be prepared to serve as backup teams if one of the selected teams can no longer compete. Listen for an announcement for how many teams will be asked to serve as backups. And be sure to let the head referee know if your team accepts that responsibility. Let's start our alliance selection.
Are you ready to meet your top 8 teams here at the Midland District event? Let's meet them. Our number 8th ranked team with a record of 9 wins, 3 losses, and a total of, yeah, that was right, is Team 5193.
Representing Saginaw, Michigan, it's Pantheon.
Our number 7th ranked team with a total of 8 wins and 4 losses losses, it is Team 5166.
Representing Freeland, Michigan, it's the Fabricators.
Our number 6 ranked team with a total of 9 wins and 3 losses, it's Team 5216.
Representing Essexville, Michigan, it's Evil Empire.
Our number 5 ranked team, also with a record of 9 wins and 3 losses, it's Team 5224.
Representing Standish, Michigan, this is Panther Power.
Our number 4th ranked team, 9 wins, 3 losses. Please put your hands together for Team 6067.
Representing St. Charles, Michigan, it's Underdogs.
The number 3 ranked team, 8 wins, 4 losses. It's Team 6020.
Representing Bay City, Michigan, it's John Glenn Robotics.
Our number 2 ranked team, 10 wins, 2 losses. It's Team 5712.
Representing Hemlock, Michigan, it's Hemlock's Gray Matter.
Our number 1 ranked team, with a grand total of 11 wins and 1 loss, Midland, put your hands together for Team 5046.
Representing Memphis, Michigan, give it up for Jacked Up Jackets.
$50.46, are you ready to make your first alliance selection?
On behalf of Team 5046 and all of our sponsors, we'd like to extend an invitation to 5712 Hemlock's Gray Matter.
Team 5712.
Hemlock's Gray Matter.
Hemlock's Gray Matter. What do you say?
Team 5712 and all of our sponsors accept your offer.
Congratulations. That means everyone moves up a spot. And we bring up our number 9th ranked team with a record of 7 wins and 5 losses. It's Team 5509.
Representing Midland, Michigan, it's Like a Boss.
$60.20, are you ready to make your first alliance selection?
Yes. On behalf of John Glenn High School, Team 6020, we would like to invite Team 2834, the Bionic Blackhawks, to launch into orbit with us.
Team 2834.
Representing the FRC Hall of Fame, it's Bionic Blackhawks.
Bionic Blackhawks, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 2834 and Bloomfield Hills School Districts, we graciously accept.
Congratulations. The number 3rd ranked alliance, are you ready to make your first alliance selection?
On behalf of Team 6067, we would like to invite Team 5216 to join us.
Representing Essexville, Michigan, it's Evil Empire.
Evil Empire, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 5216 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Congratulations. And that means our number 10th ranked team is coming up. I take that back. Our number 13th team is coming up, Team 6597. No?
No. It's going to be our number 11 ranked team. It's 6193.
Oh, my bad. Look.
The Legends of Robotics.
Sorry about that, Legends of Robotics. All right, number 4, you can go ahead and put on your bib. Panther Power, are you ready to extend your first invitation?
On behalf of Team 5224, we and all of its sponsors, we would like to invite Team 5166.
Team 5166.
Representing Freeland, Michigan, it's the Fabricators.
Freeland Fabricators, what do you say?
Team 5166 respectively declines.
Hey, that's okay. We don't need to ooh in here.
Who oohed and awed? I'm watching this time. I'm going to call you out.
All right. Who would you like to ask to join your alliance?
Team 5224 and all of its sponsors would like to invite 5193.
Team 5193.
Representing Saginaw, Michigan, it's Pantheon.
Pantheon, who would you like to have join your alliance? Nope. It's been a really long weekend, guys. What do you say?
On behalf of Team 5193, we graciously accept.
Congratulations. We're going to bring up another 12-ranked team, Team 5424, to the number 8 alliance spot.
Representing Midland, Michigan, it's Rogue Robots.
Freeland Fabricators, are you ready to offer someone to join your alliance?
Team 5166 would like to invite Team 5424 to join our alliance.
Team 5424.
You know them. They're from Midland, Michigan. It's the Rogue Robots.
Rogue Robots, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 5424, we accept.
Congratulations. So now we get to bring up our number 13th ranked team. Look, I knew I was right. I just jumped the gun a little bit. That'll be Team 6597.
Representing Saginaw, Michigan, it's Eagles.
Like a boss, are you ready to extend an invitation for someone to join your alliance? Who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Team 5509 and all our sponsors, we would like to invite Team 3770.
Team 3770!
Representing Midland, Michigan, this is Blitz Creek.
Blitz Creek, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 3770 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Congratulations! Legend of Robotics, are you ready to make your first alliance selection? No, you need a minute? All right, she needs a minute.
Hit it, DJ! You're really letting me down.
All right, cut. She's ready. Legend of Robotics, who would you like to have join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 6193 and all of our sponsors, we would like to graciously ask 5229 to join our alliance.
Team 5229.
Representing Heritage High School, it's Heritage Hawkbots.
Hawkbots, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 5229, all of our sponsors, we accept.
Congratulations. Number 8, go ahead and put that on. Are you ready to make your first alliance selection? Yes? Who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Saginaw Learn to Earn Academy and all of our sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 2619.
2619.
Representing Midland, Michigan, it's the Charge!
The Charge. What do you say?
On behalf of Team 2619, all of our sponsors, families, and friends, we accept your invitation to charge into playoffs with you.
Congratulations. All right, we're going to give them a moment to figure out their third pick. Nick, what's your thing again?
Go.
No, that's my thing. You say something else.
I'm confused. I just want music. Preferably not Sandstorm. Or Jeopardy.
Number 8 Alliance, who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of the Number 8 Alliance and all of its sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 5203.
Team 5203.
Representing Sanford, Michigan, it's the Volatile Chaos Inhibitors.
What do you say?
On behalf of Team 5203, we accept your offer.
Congratulations. We have our first full alliance. Can we give them a round of applause? The Number 7 Alliance. Are you ready to make your second selection? Who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Team 6193 and 5229, we would like to ask 6071 to be on our alliance.
Team 6071.
Representing Bay City, Michigan, it's the Illuminators.
6071, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 6071, we accept.
Congratulations. Number 6, do you need a moment? All right, we're going to give them a moment. As much as I love this song, the number 6 Alliance is ready. Number 6, who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Team 5509 and Blitz Creek, we would like to invite 3414.
3414! 3414, what do you say?
3414 graciously accepts your honor.
Congratulations!
3414 is representing Farmington, Michigan. It's the Hackbots.
Number 5 Alliance needs a moment.
I think me and the DJs have different definitions of hype music.
And the number 5 Alliance is ready. Number 5. Who would you like to have join you?
Number 5 Alliance would like to invite Team 5517 to join our alliance.
Team 5517!
Representing Burton, Michigan, it's the Engineers on Fire!
Engineers on Fire, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 5517 and all our sponsors, we accept.
Congratulations! Number 4, are you ready? The number 4 Alliance, who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of 5224 and 5193 and all their sponsors, we would like to invite 4819.
Team 4819!
Representing Mount Pleasant, Michigan, it's Flat Mountain Mechanics.
4819, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 4819, we would be thrilled to join your team to the race to Planet Primus.
Congratulations! The number 3 Alliance, are you ready to make your second selection? Who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Team 6067 and 5216, we'd like to invite Team 5156 to join our alliance.
Team 5156!
Representing Laker High School, it's Laker Battleships.
Laker Battleships, what do you say?
We graciously accept.
Congratulations! The number 2 Alliance needs a moment.
I swear if you play Jeopardy again.
The number 2 Alliance is ready to make their selection. Number 2, who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of 6020 and 2834, we would like to invite Team 6753 to launch into orbit with us.
Team 6753!
Representing Midland, Michigan, this is the CBA Robo Kings.
6753, what do you say?
On behalf of Team 6753 and all of our sponsors, we would love to blast off with you.
Congratulations! The number 1 alliance, are you ready to make your decision? Who would you like to have join you?
On behalf of Team 5046 and 5712 and all of our sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 5982 Circuits of Destruction.
Team 5982.
Circuits of Destruction.
Circuits of Destruction. What do you say?
On behalf of 5982 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Congratulations! We have our final 8 alliances. When we return from lunch at 2 o'clock, the teams will be going head-to-head with the other alliances across from them. Alliance captains, stay put, talk to Jared. If you were not selected, please go and discuss if you'd like to stay as a backup bot. We will be beginning playoff matches at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. will be playoff matches. Also, if you have borrowed safety glasses, please return them to the safety glasses table.
If you are in the first match, that means if you're on Alliance 1 or Alliance 8, make sure you are out and on the field at 1:50. That does not mean walking in the door at 2 o'clock. That does not mean getting your robot on the field at 2 o'clock. That means out and on the field at 1:50. Thank you.
Volunteers, remember, stay put for the picture. That includes judges. Judges, come back, come back. Alliance captains, go